video, I'll be showing you how to graph quadratics. It says to identify the vertex and the axis of symmetry of each, then sketch the graph. So for this problem, we have y equals -3, parentheses x minus 2 squared minus 4. So let's just write the vertex form equation as a refresher. So it's y equals a x minus h squared plus k. And our vertex is at h comma k. So let's find the vertex from this equation. So h is 2 and k is -4. Notice how I wrote 2 instead of -2 is because whenever you're finding a vertex, you have to switch the sign of the h. So this is our vertex. So let's just graph the vertex point. So this is our vertex. We also know that this parabola opens down because there's a negative over the a. And I also know that this graph is quite narrow since the a value is not a fraction. So I'm gonna just select the points closer to the vertex. I'm gonna select 1. So let's just make a table. X, y. And I'm gonna put 1 here. And I'm gonna plug 1 into this equation. So y equals -3, 1 minus 2 squared minus 4. 1 minus 2 is -1. -1 squared is +1. 1 times -3 is -3. -3 minus 4 is -7. So y equals -7. And let's just put it here. And we plot our point, 1, 7 here. And we just flip it over because this is symmetric. And we have all the necessary information to graph our parabola. We are also asked to write the axis of symmetry. So whatever the x value of the vertex is our axis of symmetry. So our axis of symmetry is equals to x equals 2. And this is our vertex. So we have our vertex, our axis of symmetry, and we plot the parabola, which is pretty nice. So on to the next problem. We have y equals 1/4, parentheses x plus 4 squared plus 3. So let's just rewrite the vertex form equation first, in case you forgot. And the vertex is at h comma k. So the vertex is 4. But remember, we have to switch to sign, so it's -4, comma 3. This is our vertex. So let's graph it. It's gonna be here. So this is going to open up since there is no negative on the a value. And we also know that this is quite wide, considering that the a value is a fraction. So I'm going to pick the points a little bit further away from the vertex. I'm going to pick -2 and -1. Let's make a table. Okay, so let's plug -2 into the equation. Okay, so -2 plus 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 1/4 is 1. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So y equals 4. Okay, and let's just plug in -1. So -1 plus 4 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 1/4 is 9/4 plus 3. I don't like fractions, so I'm gonna times everything by 4 to get rid of the fraction. So 4y equals 9 plus 12. And then 9 plus 12 is gonna give me 21. Divide everything by 4. So this is gonna be about 5 1/4. And let's put it on the table. And let's graph these 2 points. -2, 4, -2, 4. So -2, 4 is going to be here. And -1 and 5 1/4. 1 and 5 1/4 is going to be here. And now we just have to flip it over to the other side. Here and then here. And let's graph it. So this is our nice parabola, and our axis of symmetry is equals to whatever the x value of the vertex is, which is -4, so x equals -4. And we have completed the problem. We found the axis of symmetry, we got the vertex, and we graphed. That concludes the video of graphing quadratics, and I really hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.